Hello and welcome to Automan. My name is Jay. How's everyone doing? I'm working again on my old car, the old E46 330 CD. Today this week I've had a problem with it. It's been making a strange noise. I'll let you hear what that noise is, and then I'll show you where that noise is coming from and what the problem is. So let's just, I'm going to get on with it, and I'm going to start the car so you guys can listen. If you have any similar noises, hopefully this will point you in the right direction.
Right, the problem is the crank pulley. It's basically vibrating quite a lot, and if I turn the engine off, you'll be able to see why that is. Also, if you notice, it's got my AC belt in the process of it moving around too much. The AC belt needed replacing. I did mention that in a previous video, so I was back to change it this week and it's snapped on me. And the most important belt is the alternator belt that drives your high pressure fuel pump. So if that's that, the car will go completely dead. So I'm going to turn off the engine and see what happens now.
Right, now I actually show you what the issue is.
That hurts me just looking at it.
See there's so much play in it.
Shit.
It shouldn't be like that. So I'll need a new one of these. It's going to be pricey. I think you can pick them up for around about between 125. And it's basically gone. Look at that. Look at how loose that is. You're going to go for original Febi Bilstein one. I don't want to take a chance of buying a cheaper one and putting it on there in case it goes again and I'll have to do the work again. So best do a splurge on a good part, or a good quality part that you can trust, because it's got to last. So I'm not sure how long a cheap part's gonna last, but yeah, not happy about that. So as you can see, the AC belt's off. That's because it snapped. I was due to replace it this week, and it snapped earlier on in the week, and so the noise actually got louder once that snapped, because that was holding it with some tension on. So, and it was just making a little squeak noise as it rotated. So yeah. What else? Well, because I can't do that, I haven't got the part. I could always change the fuel filter, because I have got a new fuel filter for it. So I might do that today, or I might leave it, I'm not sure. So anyway, I just wanted to share that little bit as a bit of information with you. So I hope it helps anyone who's having strange noises coming from the bottom, and that's one possible reason why what it could be. Unfortunately, that's all from me today. I can't really change the part because I haven't got it. And hopefully in my next video, maybe you'll see me change that. So hope this helps anyone who's got a similar issue, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon.
You see me.